Alright guys, so here's how to add hyperlink in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. First of all, let me just show you that here is my channel. Suppose you need to add a link like this, alright? So you need to select the link and Ctrl C to copy the link, alright? Then you need to go back to your Microsoft Word document and just simply tap on Ctrl plus V to paste it in the document. All right, then as you can see, here is the link, but it is not clickable or hyperlink. So what you can simply do to make this hyperlink is to simply tap on enter in your keyboard. Just simply tap on the enter button and then the text will be marked as a hyperlink. So if you just go to this text and simply tap on Ctrl in your keyboard and click onto the link, and as you can see, this is added as a hyperlink. Alright, so hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.